I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the Excel source so Power BI reliably updates. Make sure the workbook is stored where Power BI can reach it. OneDrive or SharePoint is best. Next, convert ranges to named tables in Excel so column headers and types are preserved. This prevents schema drift. In Power BI Desktop, choose Get Data right arrow Excel, pick the file and the table, then load or transform. Once loaded, verify column types and relationships so downstream steps behave predictably. Once the table is in Power Query, you'll clean and shape the data. You should enforce data types early, remove nulls or errors, and use explicit filters so refreshes produce the same schema. If you expect file name or location changes, parameterize the file path or use the SharePoint/OneDrive connector to keep links stable. Make sure query dependencies and applied steps are ordered logically. Disable load on intermediate staging queries. After this, close and apply so the dataset reflects the transformed model. You'll finish by publishing the report to Power BI Service and configuring refresh. After publish, set dataset credentials and, if needed, install/configure an on-premises gateway to access local files. Create a scheduled refresh cadence and run a manual refresh to confirm success. If the refresh fails due to schema changes, update the Power Query steps or restore the Excel schema. Often correcting column names or types fixes it quickly. One troubleshooting tip: check the refresh error message in Service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.